Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be testing out deep search from Grok, and we also have a little bit of a comparison to do versus Perplexity and ChatGPT. But if you want to find an actual comparison of these tools, you can go ahead in my channel and find the respective video. It should be uploaded, or it should upload in the next few days or hours. So first thing first, deep search allows Grok to search the internet recursively and find new ideas, find current ideas and whatever, give you a very nice, amazing report. So what we will ask you to do is very specific, and we've asked also Perplexity and ChatGPT to do exactly the same thing for us in like previous videos. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to find a list of niche ideas that are SEO optimized, get loads of traffic for our website, which is NoFX services, where we're building tools using AI. I'm making live streams on it. On previous videos, we have actually created utilities in 10, 20, 30 minutes for this website, and we build free tools. We get paid in ads, maybe some affiliate things, and you get a benefit from it. Link down below in the description. So what we want to do is find new ideas that may only require front-end code, only require back-end and API calls without a database, or ideas that only need a database. And we want to have things for investors, crypto users, programmers, casually. All right, that's the things we want to do. And we also want to get an estimate of the search volume so we can put some precedent into what build, what not build. And we wanted to do deep search on this thing and give us an answer. So Grok is going to get started with deep search, and as we wait for the answer, I want to give you an overview of what happened with the other tools. But for a more in-depth video, go ahead and watch the dedicated video on the channel. So here we asked the same question on ChatGPT. It asked us to, ask some specific questions about what tools we use, what our audience sees, what kind of ideas we want, and how we monetize them. And it starts the research. Took like 7 minutes, 10 sources, and it gave us 3 or 4 tables with specific ideas, exactly what we asked it to do. Nothing very novel, nothing very amazing, but it was fast to do, easy to do, speed up the result exactly as we want to do. It followed the instructions perfectly, so that's cool. Perplexity, on the other hand, at the first iteration, it didn't give us a table, so we could also ask it a follow-up question. Again, the ideas were pretty similar to ChatGPT's, and by the follow-up question, it started to improve on the answers, and I think these answers that it gave us are amazing, and the structure is also really nice, and also very nice, interesting ideas that we could implement. And I think we should be actually taking action and implementing all of these things for NoFX, so you can actually access them. Investors, crypto users, everyone pretty much that looks on this channel or my crypto channel can actually use them. So I actually liked the Perplexity's deep search result on this specific field very much. In terms of academic writing, I think ChatGPT is a lot better, because I'm doing also some academic work for a specific company, and in that realm it's way far off. It can search and index things that are a lot better than Perplexity. Perplexity, very good for watching websites, maybe Reddit or whatever, but ChatGPT for academic things, super amazing. But whatever, what we want to see is the result from Grok. But I just wanted to give you like a baseline of what to expect. So we can see here that it actually spits out in just 1 minute 50 sources, super fast. This is insane. It gives you full list. So the key points summarized from Grok, it summarizes the users and also the development environments, and we want high search volumes. So let's see, ideas by category and user group. Great summarization. It tells us also the estimated search volumes and how much it is. So here we can actually see that list, and it says the user group, category, idea. So I gotta say that this is absolutely very nice, very organized, loads of ideas, and very novel ideas that I have not seen getting out from other tools, which is pretty nice. This is pretty interesting, I gotta say. Like Grok 3 once again leaves me with my mind exploding. Like this Grok 3 is absolutely amazing. Even for coding, it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, I like these ideas so much. These are such good ideas. Yeah. This is very nice, guys. Like I've gotta say, this is amazing, and it gives you a detailed categorization of ideas. So it gives you like this extra context. Yeah, guys, this is very nice. This is very nice, and I've got to say, if we act on all of these ideas and implement them for NoFX, the result is going to be amazing. So yeah, I would say that Grok 3 deep search is matching Perplexity deep search. This is quite unexpected. This is quite unexpected. I did not really expect it to be so good. But yeah, that is it. Grok 3 deep research right outside gates.